With so many young, there's no time for a break. The life of the male fox is hard enough without being dive-bombed by Jaegers. The food handoff to his mate is quick, and there's no time for him to rest. He needs to catch 30 more lemmings today. As the kits get older and start eating more solid food, the pair will have to supply upwards of 100 lemmings a day to feed so many hungry mouths. For now, the kits are more interested in play. But if they won't eat their dinner, someone else will. Summer has not been kind to the Eureka pack. They haven't made a muskox kill in over a month. The pack has scattered. All the wolves are out on their own, looking for food. Snow White has caught a few smaller prey, but Black Spot never leaves the den and has only old bones to gnaw on.